Now children, the next activity that we are going to do today is on page 40, 41 and 42 of the EVS book. The first one is take the person to his correct vehicle. So here you can see there are different community helpers, okay, or people with different professions. This is a pilot. He is an engine driver. This is an astronaut. He is the captain of a ship. And this is a driver. And on the other hand, we have different vehicles. Like here we have a rocket, a ship, school bus, aeroplane and train. So you have to match this particular driver to his correct vehicle. So what does a pilot drive? Pilot इसमें से कौन सा vehicle चलाता है? Pilot train चलाता है? Does a pilot drive a train? No. Does a pilot drive your school bus? No. What does a pilot drive? He flies an aeroplane. So you will match the pilot to the aeroplane. Engine driver. What will an engine driver drive? Does he drive a rocket? No. Engine driver drives a train. So you will match engine driver to the train. Astronaut. What does an astronaut drive? The astronaut flies a rocket. Captain. He is the captain of a ship. So you will match the captain to the ship. And a bus driver. This is a driver. So he will drive a bus. So you will match driver to the bus. In this way you have to complete the rest of the worksheet. Now, color the traffic lights in proper sequence and draw the zebra crossing. So here you can see the traffic lights, traffic signal. So there are 3 lights. This is red, amber and green. So for amber you can color yellow and green. What do these lights mean? When you see red light, it means stop. Yellow light means get ready. And green light means go. So when we are crossing the road or when while driving the vehicle, everyone has to check the traffic signal and then use the vehicle accordingly. And then we have the zebra crossing. We should always, especially when you go to the city, right? When you're crossing big roads, you have to always cross at the zebra crossing. Why is it called a zebra crossing? Because it has black and white stripes. So now let's color this. So for traffic signal, the first one is red. So you will color this red. Here I have colored the first light red. You have to color in the proper sequence, okay? Your red cannot be, you cannot color this circle red. The first signal only is red. The next one, amber. So for amber you can use a yellow crayon. Amber. And the last one is green. Red says stop, amber says ready, and green says go. So when the vehicles have stopped at the traffic signal, when the green light when they put on the green light, that is when the vehicles start driving, right? If there's a red light, the vehicles have to stop. So this is how you will color the traffic lights. Now to make the zebra crossing. As I said, for a zebra crossing, it is called a zebra crossing because it has black and white lines. So here our background is already white. So you will make black stripes like this. Okay, and then you will color these stripes black. So children, now we have made the zebra crossing. See, it's like a zebra stripe, right? Black and white. So this is how you have to complete this activity. Now the next activity is on page number 42. Cross out the wrong pictures and tick the correct one. So there are different sets of pictures. You have to cross out what is wrong and you have to tick what is correct. Now let's look at the first picture. Over here you can see that this boy was trying to get into a bus, but probably the door, it was a running bus. You can see these lines here. He tried to get into a moving bus and the boy fell down. So should we do that? जब बस चल रही है, ट्रेन चल रही है, तभी हमें उसमें चढ़ने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए? नहीं. This is wrong. So we will cross it out. Yes. This child is putting his hand out of the bus. And he is also bending out of the bus. बस चल रही है और ये बच्चा बाहर अपना हाथ बाहर डाल रहा है, सर बाहर डाल रहा है बस से. हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए? नहीं. ऐसा करने से हमें चोट लग सकती है, right? We can get badly injured. So this is also wrong. So we will cross this picture. Here you can see the vehicles have stopped and see the red light is on. So the vehicle has stopped. गाड़ी रुक गई है. And these children are crossing at the zebra crossing. So are they doing the right thing? Yes. So we will put a tick here. These children, the bus has stopped. They are making a line and getting into the bus. Is this correct? If it is correct, you have to put a tick. If it is wrong, you will cross it out. Here. These children are playing in the middle of the road. See, there are vehicles going on the road. गाड़ी जा रही है और रास्ते के बीच में ये बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए नहीं. तो ये पिक्चर हम क्रॉस करेंगे. So children, in the same way, you have to look at these pictures and cross out what is wrong. जो गलत है उसको क्रॉस करना है, जो सही है उसको टिक करना है. Right? That's all for today. Thank you.